In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, my videos he stopped, but why I'm screaming every time? Think about that. Why I'm crying? Why I am regret? Because human have evil on his head. That's why they're trying to stop my videos, especially Jew, Hindu, Christian. This is my research. Like I give it to you one example to understand. 4,600 my videos, and I challenge for Jew, Christian, Hindu. That's why they don't like my videos and my comments. My freedom of speech they don't like. That's why they want to be stop my videos. 14 years I give it to you 1,000 sign. For example, you can understand this. I'm making this video jinn. Jinn story only in our Quran. Because you can see this one, my this is my carpet, Salah carpet. We close it like this. We take out and we put like this because we don't want to be pray here jinn. Most of them, our Muslims, whoever they have musalla they call. This one musalla they call. And we don't want to be see here pray jinn. This is the reality jinn. Why Christians not mentioned in the Bible? Think about it. And why Jewish they don't know jinn means? Why Hindu don't know jinn means? They can say, evil, monster, ghost, devil. They can say shaitan, but they don't know the reality of jinn. This is the real point. That's why they want to stop my videos. I challenge man is not a god like. I told you Adam without father mother. So think about if he's a without father mother, how come you say God man? Think about because Jesus without father and he come from private part mother. I say he take help and he's not like Adam without father mother like. So he's only have mother. He don't have father. I say value also. Adam is bigger than Jesus. One more, woman came in Adam body. God take out woman, and she not come from mother private part. So how come the Hindu says God is? Think about without father. Jesus, he don't have father. So how come you say Father, Son and Holy Spirit? Because he is without father. How come you say Father, Son and Holy Spirit? Same thing. If she come from Adam body, woman, so how come say Hindu goddess? So this kind of points I give to in my 14 years, all videos have some sign. Since 14 years I am making videos, 4,600, sudden they stop. 14 days back, I make one video. Eve, without mother, how come you say goddess? I'm asking Hindus. So, I don't understand why he stopped my video. Who stopped that? 1946 he show, and sometime I check that publish. Slowly, I mean every 200, 400, 600, 1,000, then they stop, he try, So I want to be check that, publish. Then I open up to 1946. Today he stopped completely. And he don't want to be show my examples even in YouTube site. Even my messages in India, I was there 3 months back. He stopped that to messages, SMS. How come? I give the telephone number in my videos. In these videos, I give to recently in 3 months when I came back from Hyderabad. No one called me. So small cuttings you can see in YouTube site. I like lot of the small cuttings they come, short, tic tac like, couple of seconds they want to show that picture and his message. What about my couple of TikTok type messages? At least I want to be say Adam without father mother. I want to be say Jesus without father, and I want to be say Eve without mother. These three only points I want to be conveyed for all mankind, because man is not a god, woman is not a goddess. So jinn story only in the Quran chapter also we have. Even Gita, Vedas, or Hindu scriptures you can't find. Same thing Bible, so many times they change. You can't find jinn chapter, and they don't mention aliens stories. Even Jewish have they kept our two Torah and Psalm, Kanak, whatever they call, so many books. There are 14, 15 books they show. If you go synagogue place, they have pictures on the top outside. I was long time ago here, 72 Street, 11th Avenue have mass. So used to be I go Friday prayer for my Islamic center over there, 72 Street, 11th Avenue, in like west side. So when I am passing, I saw over there one synagogue, and they have so many books picture on the top, calendar like, frame like on the top. So why they don't have jinn story? Why they don't know they pray like Muslims? Why they don't know angels praying in the Makkah? Why they don't know like to show birds coming in Makkah? They praying over there. Angels like, so many miracles going on in Makkah. They don't want to be show. Always I mention in my videos, and they don't want to be display my videos. Only jinn story. Today I want to show you. I say this one is my carpet. I say this is my carpet, and we close like this. Why? Every Muslim, you can go in India, everybody's do like this. Why? Because our carpet, our prayer musalla they call, we close this one. We close this one because of jinn come and pray. They don't have these stories. Even Hindus they die without faith, and they going in the hell, and they burning here body in this earth when they die. I told you, they're going forever. Do you think they have anybody to stop my this dialogues? If they have God powerful in Hinduism? Because I'm telling you, Hindus going in the hell. And Hindus, God, no one says, you going in the heaven, Hindu, if you pray Jainism, or if you pray, as a Hindu, if you worship idols. Show me, this is my challenge. Idols, anybody says, this idol, if you worship, I give it to you heaven. Brother, you are evil. You don't understand idols. You don't understand your own life. Allah created you. Allah means direct God. God created you. This is the Arabic word. I can say Parsi word is Khuda. I can say in, Jainism or Hinduism or, whoever the Indians, they says Bhagwan or Parameshwar. He created you. But these is idols, they not help you, I say. And even goddess, if you say Durga, this is ridiculous like, because she is not a, woman, mother like or goddess like, because Adam create him like in this earth. If my mother create me in this earth like, so God give to her permission, like Mary got it permission, that's why she put her son in her belly. So remember this, why I'm talking jinn in this video, because Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Sikhism, whoever they believe man is a god, like man is not a god. If you believe woman is a goddess, like woman is not a god, goddess. These two words kill you. When you die, your heritage or your successor, no one like for benefit you, help you, save you. Like Christian says, Jesus save us. No, this is also ridiculous. Ask him. He can't save, because he is before the Prophet Muhammad, and his time is finished. He came for children of Israel, Bani Israel they call, and his time is gone. But he is coming, not a prophet, because Allah took him, Allah raised him on the sky, and he was there now since 2000 years. He is over there. He is in the heaven like. Then he is coming again in this earth to remind, because he not die. He have to be die, Jesus. And same thing, without make sure Hindu says woman is a god, woman is a mother. This is not the right word for woman. That's why I try to convey this message for jinn. Jinn is a story in the Quran chapter. You can check jinn chapter. And jinn come in our saint places, Shirin Dargah they call in India. And jinn, they, if he is not a Muslim, we take out, he come occupy women in the bodies, and we take in the Dargah place, and she is screaming, crying over there. She become mad and she go crazy. At that time, she stay in the Dargah place 40 days or how many days he wants to be, take care her to healing. So, jinn story only in the Quran, and these guys only they make fool Hindu, they make fool you Christian. Man is not a god. Either Gautam Buddha or Guru Nanak or Ram, whatever the name they have, these guys they make fool you, and this is only for jinn story, only in the chapter Quran. Ask him who is my Lord. Ask him, I have to be read Quran. Ask him, Muhammad is the prophet, have to be practiced like him. Ask him. Open challenge I give it to you. So they're trying to stop my videos. This is my open challenge. Since 14 years, every day I am dying. Because God give to permission for man, you can choose your right path. Allahu Akbar.